This homemade digestive biscuit is a must for every kid's tiffin. What are digestive biscuits? As per experts, digestive biscuits are healthy treats made with whole wheat flour and leavening agents like sodium bicarbonate, ammonium bicarbonate, oil, powdered skim milk, sugar and baking soda. Are ready-made digestive biscuits unhealthy? As per experts, one should avoid the packaged ones, as many of them use palm oil, which is not good for human health and should be avoided. Tap next to learn the benefits of homemade digestive biscuits. Curb hunger pangs. They are mostly rich in fibre, which helps reduce hunger pangs in school and helps kids avoid eating unhealthy foods. Aid digestion. The fibre content helps absorb water and soothes the digestive tract, which promotes better digestion and may relieve constipation. Good for weight loss. It is suggested to eat not more than 3 to 5 pieces, and the fiber and other nutrient content help increase satiety and regulate food intake. Ingredients required: 1 and 2/3 cups whole wheat flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1/2 tablespoon salt, 3/4 cup powdered sugar, 1/2 cup butter, and 1/4 cup milk. Step 1. Preheat the oven to 350 F 180 C and line a cookie sheet with parchment paper. Step 2. Combine the flour, baking powder, salt, and sugar in a mixing bowl. Step 3. Rub the butter into the dry ingredients and mix them well to form a dough using enough milk. Step 4. Roll out thick rounds of the dough to form biscuits. Step 5. Transfer the biscuits to the baking sheet and prick the biscuits with a fork. Bake for 20 minutes until the biscuits are pale gold. Your homemade digestive biscuits are ready.